So another day working on the E36 today. Hopefully going to be putting a new steering wheel in and some other interior stuff, and the main thing is doing a muffler or silencer delete on the exhaust. This is mainly due to it's not really for the noise, it's just the old exhaust is really chatty and boomy and it's kind of hitting against the sway bar and stuff. It wasn't really properly fitted, but it's snowing quite badly here, so I don't want to be working outside. So I'm going to try and clear the garage up and put the E36 in here. I used to be able to fit the Peugeot and the quad bike in here, so if we get it all out it should fit. It's the time to start up the Grizzly 450. It's a bit of a beast. Electronic start. Bit of choke. Maybe not. Hope that's running alright. Just gotta move that. I think I've eliminated everything that's... So you might have to be outside first just to get the image. No, anything I'm doing to the car won't prohibit it to be able to get it out. So it's a tight fit, but the BMW is in. Just about enough room on this side. So today we're going to be installing, straight from Japan on eBay,
hello,
this fake keys racing wheel. It's 40 quid on eBay.
Baller.
To go with that, got a Boss kit for a Boss man. It says Nardi on it, but it's fake as well, so hopefully it doesn't fall apart. I think it's got all the bolts. It feels quite sturdy, but I have to see. Could zoom in.
Baller.
And also going to be muffler delete.
Hello.
The exhaust, so
bitches are going to love that.
See what happens.
Just before we get started on the car, guys, just check out the creps. Absolute boss, man, repping the old Adidas ones. Baller.
Right. We're gonna see you. We're gonna see yours.
Repping the old school Nikes. You know what I mean?
Fair enough.
Doing a little bright thing for you.
Okay. Wait, this is a bit awkward.
It's a bit of a tight fit in here. Hello, sports fans. Hey, what are you doing here, Jonathan?
Just
Jonathan with no H. What are you doing?
There is a H in it.
No, G-O-N.
J-O-N-A-T-H-A-N.
Yeah, but not the fucking,
John.
you know. What are you doing here, Jonathan?
Just disconnecting the battery, mate. It's not that complicated, really.
It's been snowing today, guys. So that's why we're inside, because it's freezing outside. What engine's this got in it, John?
It's a 1.9 M44 engine. It's not very special.
Alright, cool. He does know stuff about engines, so make sure you don't abuse him, guys.
But the plan is in summer to drop a 2.8 600.
Oh, yes!
That you're going to be helping with.
Too right, I am, bitch.
There we go. Right. So after disconnecting the battery, I think you take a T27 socket.
What are you putting 90?
Just the behind the steering wheel. Won't be able to see
Okay,
it. There we go. That's cracked it. I think there's one either side. Oh shit! Where's it gone? It's just hard to get it to sit right.
Yeah.
No, I've lost it. You heard that anyway. It's come out there. Best new steering wheel, best fit.
Yeah.
Okay. That's off. So, do you want to zoom in? Just need to disconnect these wires. Hopefully it doesn't blow the airbag up.
I really hope it blows the airbag, it'd be hilarious.
That must be the airbag wire. That might be for the horn. I don't know. I'll disconnect that. That looks more like an airbag wire. That looks like a horn. So now, it's quite.
This is just some of the sacrifices you have to make when doing a car. What have you done there, John?
Just got it stuck in the breaker bar.
Are you going to survive?
Yeah, I think.
Well done, you.
With a breaker bar. I got it. Okay. And now this is the tricky bit.
Here we go, sports fans.
I've done this before on one car. So like you leave the bolt in,
Yeah.
so it doesn't hit you in the face when you actually pull the steering wheel off. There's lots of different techniques in doing this, but I did it once on that 106, but it really doesn't help with my fucking hands, but yes, it's off.
Baller.
Right, wasn't too bad. So this should all just pop out now. Don't want to lose this screw. This screw is important. A bolt even.
Oh, Max, you're a gentleman. Thank you very much. Right. Cheers, mate.
So, gonna put the new hub on.
Okie doke.
Hey, you're right up in my face. It's quite shitty, this hub, so
What's wrong with it?
it's just cheap, isn't it? But I think that's top centre.
Yeah.
So put that centre as it'll go, like that. How's it looking? It feels solid. So it lines up.
Yeah.
Oh fuck, that's not even straight, is it? I can always adjust it.
Yeah.
So that goes on that, and then you have like 6 bolts that go like that.
Yeah.
No, they're good.
So there's a reason we're in the garage today, and that's because it is snowing. Car's looking nice and smart as always. Just going to stand under the cover so we don't get the GoPro wet. Just going to tell you a little bit about my mate John. So met John when I was thinking it was probably about 12 or so maybe. School, Aberdale Sports Car Park was where we had a first meet in the back of his mum's Saab, nice car, convertible. And since then we've just really hit it off. Done motorbiking stuff together, we've done driving stuff together. So we've just got a lot in common. And it's really good to see the passion that he's got. Oh, he's looking, he's noticed we're talking about him. So passionate about cars, passionate for life. Right, what's happened, John?
So it's on, it's pretty much straight.
Baller.
I might have to sort the horn out in a bit, but
Yeah.
can't be asked. Just want to see it on the car. And it does look quite good, so it's fake.
Yeah, I like that. That just slide in.
Yeah, if I get it straight.
In she goes.
And yeah, key steering wheel.
Baller.
So this is the back box that's coming off. It's pretty heavy. It's not installed really well, and it's loose anyway, and it's heavy. So I'm going to chop it off here, and then just have sort of a muffler delete. It comes straight out here. Those brackets are off now. I should be able to drop the back of the silencer off. Okay. I'm going to try and reuse these somehow. Let's get the vice grip off. Yeah. That pipe's on. Look at the camera. And just got to grind it down now. Yeah.
Can we hold it?
No, I got it. So we've got to weld it a bit. It's only half welded, but it's too cold, and I need to make a bracket for it. But it's sort of on. Need to cut it to length, but oh, it sounds good. Go on, give it a go. I want to go.
Sounds proper meaty.
Untouchable.